Hi, my name is Mohsin and we are here to discuss on control statements in C, like if, else, switch, loops, while, for, do while. Introduction to control statements. Control statements are used to change the flow of execution in a program. They help in decision making and repeating tasks. Main categories are decision making and looping. Decision making like if, else, switch. Looping like while, for, do while. If statement executes a block of code if a condition is true. Syntax if condition is true, then execute this code. Example if a greater than b. If this condition is true, then print a is greater. If else statement provides an alternative block of code if condition is false. Syntax if this condition is true, then execute this code, else execute this code. If condition is false, then execute this code. Example if a modulo 2 equals to 0, then print even, else print odd. If this condition is true, then print this code. If this condition is false, then print this code. Switch statement used to select one block of code from multiple options. Syntax switch expression, then case value 1 code break, case value 2 code break, default code. If the value of expression is equal to value 1, then execute this code and break the loop. If the value of expression is equal to value 2, then execute this code and break default code. Execute this code. If the value of expression is not equal to value 1, value 2, then execute the default code. Example switch day. If the value of day equals to 1, means case 1 is true, then print Monday and break. While loop repeats a block of code while a condition is true. Syntax while condition. While condition is true, then repeat this code. Example int I equals to 1. While condition is true, then repeat this code. This code is print value of I and increment by 1 I plus plus. Post increment means first it will print 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, and condition will be false. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For loop used when the number of iterations is known. Syntax for initialization, condition update, and execute this code. Example for int I equals to 1, this is initialization by 1, and condition is I less than equals to 5 and update by 1 I plus plus, and print the value of I each time like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and this condition will be false during the value of I is 6. Do while loop similar to while, but condition is checked after execution. Executes at least once. Syntax do execute this code while condition is true. Example int I equals to 1, do the print the value of I and increment by 1, means print 1 and check the condition I less than equals to 5. Yes, then print updated value 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then the value of I will be 6 and this condition will be false, so the value will be print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Summary if else for decision making, switch for multiple selection, while loop with condition check before execution, for loop with initialization condition update, do while executes at least once, condition checked later. Thanks, comment if any query.